And there you go. I have the order and I can't wait. It says that it's going to be here on the 30th of June, which is my birthday. I look like a mess today, but I don't care because it's the heart that counts. I don't know. But yeah, I've just not been feeling great. And oh my gosh. Wait, did I pay VAT? I shouldn't have paid VAT. Because... did I take it off? Because I did say... never mind, but it was more than £60 to change. So I did work a lot this month despite being ill. So and I did nights, which I don't regret because you earn more during the nights. So I'm gonna stop rambling. But yeah, the only thing is that with my job you only get paid the month after, so it's 1 month arrears, which means that you work, for example, in May, you only get paid in June, at the end of June. So I work this month, so I only get paid at the end of July. So, great working there. And there's still things that I left a message that they didn't pay me fully for certain things, and I've been waiting months and I didn't even know. So, yeah, my life's kind of a mess right now, but yeah, whose isn't? I may contact them because VAT, like I did write, when you go to the website and put an order, they say to exclude a VAT if you have, like, I have a neurological condition. Obviously be truthful for what you say. But the nappies are usually VAT free, not the onesies, not anything else. So you have to put if you have a urinary condition or a neurological condition that causes, you know, bladder problems, etc., or anything of that matter. But I don't think they took the VAT off because I think the website crashed, and then yeah, I'm gonna have to check with them. So they have an email right below which is contact us, and they also have a telephone number. I believe they have 1 or 2 shops. I think it's Bolton, I believe, and there's another one, or maybe it's just one, and they do, like, you can go in. I don't know about the current situation with the coronavirus, but they are very nice people, as well as the goodness, I have not been there for a while, so I don't even remember. Onesies Down Under, they're so nice, and particularly during the forest fires for Australia. So Andrew and Liz, if I recall their names right, they're so nice. If you have any problems there, they're quick to reply. I can't speak today very much. And after the severe migraine, my speech just became a little bit more off than usual. They actually thought I was having a stroke, so they did a CT scan, but all good for now. But I'm still waiting to see a neurologist. But anyways, they're very good people, and I think once I had like an issue with my order. I can't remember why or what it was exactly, but they were so nice. So if you ever have any problems, contact the companies. They're usually so nice and get back to you very quickly. I don't know obviously about the current situation, how things are, because I've not been in the websites in a long time. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna contact them about this, and then wait for the order. Yeah, I just received a confirmation email. And yeah, the new video is coming up soon, I promise. I just need to finish editing. I have a few more scenes to collect together, and then adding some funny bits, and it'll be on my channel up soon. Thank you for the patience, and I love you guys. Don't ever forget to take care of yourselves and your little side. Bye.